Hey, what's up guys, Uncle Winston here. And today we're going to be taking a look at probably one of the most expensive graphics card on the market right now. The MSI GeForce RTX 5090 Lightning Z. This graphics card uses Nvidia's GeForce RTX 5090 GPU and is cooled by a 360 all-in-one cooler. It features 32GB of GDDR7 RAM on a 512-bit memory bus operating at a speed of 28GB per second. The whole package is huge and comes in a nice box with all the accessories and a vertical GPU mount. The graphics card is really heavy and I have it right here, and you can see the 360 all-in-one cooler right here and the actual graphics card itself here. It has an 8-inch display, which is pretty nice, and you can see it's limited edition right there. You can see the 13 of 1300. It's powered by two 16V 2x6 power connectors here, so these need to be connected. And you also see a OC and extreme switch right here, so it allows you to overclock and of course gives you the extra performance. Video outputs include 3 DisplayPort and 1 HDMI. You also get an additional USB-C port, which is dedicated for the Lightning display. There's no traditional heatsink with the fins, but instead you get this huge copper water block right here, which of course covers the whole of the PCB itself, and it weighs pretty heavy. The OC option gives you a clock speed of 2730 MHz and requires an 800 watt power supply, while the extreme option gives you a clock speed of 2775 MHz and requires a power supply of 1000 watts or higher. But according to MSI, you need a 1500 watt power supply to run this beast. The backplate features a reinforced carbon fiber, which gives it a nice aesthetic and extra rigidity. You can use the MSI Software Center to monitor the GPU health, the temperature and clock speed, as well as customize your own displays. We'll be using an MSI Z890 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard along with an Intel Core Ultra 9 285K, as well as 48GB of DDR5 8000 RAM. So enough talk, let's put this bad boy into our test rig and see how it performs. But before we do that, let me show you how to get the latest prices from our system configurator, Rig Builder. This video was made possible thanks to Flex Studios, the developer of Rig Builder by Funkykit. So picture this, you've just learned how to build a PC after months of research, and you're ready to build your dream PC based on the budget that you have in mind. So where do you begin? Choosing the right parts for your PC build can be really daunting, especially when there's hundreds of brands and numerous models out there. And this is where Rig Builder comes in. It's our system configurator developed by Flex Studios, giving you the best prices from Amazon. One of the most attractive features of Rig Builder is that you don't need to specifically know the exact brand or model of those PC parts. With Rig Builder, all you need is 3 criteria: the budget you have in mind, your preferred CPU, and your preferred graphics card. Once you've entered your preferences and hit the submit button, Rig Builder will then go to Amazon to compile a list of 5 products from each category that will best match your criteria. You can now select an item from that list, and once you're happy with that choice, hit the Buy All button, where it will take you to a summary page of all the items you've selected. And when you're ready to buy, just add the cart to proceed to the Amazon checkout. I know, you don't have to buy from Amazon, but at least to give you an idea of what you can get based on your budget. You can give Rig Builder a try at funkykit.com/rigbuilder. We hope Rig Builder will make the process of buying PC parts much easier. It's free to use and is available in all countries where Amazon is supported. Thanks for listening, and now back to the video. Water-cooled GPUs are a very niche product, and there's not many models out there. What makes the MSI GeForce RTX 5090 32G Lightning Z stand out is its massive integrated 8-inch LCD display. It's the largest we have ever seen on a graphics card. It's more than just a gimmick, In fact, it's a fully functional LCD monitor with a resolution of 1200 by 800. What's more, you can use the MSI Center software to monitor the GPU health, the temperature and clock speed, as well as customize your own displays. As I said before, the graphics card is extremely heavy, weighing in at over 2.8 kilos, and with the all-in-one cooler, you're looking at well over 4.1 kilos. So we recommend installing the GPU vertically using the included vertical GPU mount. When I was told the performance of the GeForce RTX 5090 is significantly better than the RTX 5080, with performance roughly 25 to 30% faster on average, I didn't really believe it until now. So what makes the RTX 5090 so much faster? Well, for starters, it has 2 times more CUDA cores at 21,760 versus 10,752. You also get 2 times the amount of VRAM, 32GB versus 16GB. And you also get twice the memory bandwidth, 512-bit versus 256-bit. However, there is a downside to all this performance. The higher the performance, the more power it consumes, with an average of 575 watts at full load compared to the RTX 5080's 360 watts. That said, is the RTX 5090 worth getting? Well, in my opinion, if you have the funds and a very deep pocket, then yes, the performance is out of this world. Now let's take a look at how it performs. During our tests, we used a newly built PC which consists of an MSI Z890 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard along with an Intel Core Ultra 9 285GB processor as well as 48GB of DDR5 8000 RAM. We got phenomenal scores in all of our benchmarks, including a score of 20,743 for Basemark Relic Life and a Geekbench GPU score of 345,597. For Unigen's Valley benchmark, we got a score of 10,539 and a Final Fantasy benchmark score of 22,740. Passmark 11 GPU score was at 36,916. For Super Precision 1080p Extreme and Optimized 4K benchmarks, we got an amazing score of 28,981 and 38,050 respectively. For 3D Mark Steel Nomad and Speedway, we got mind-blowing scores of 15,824 and 14,995 respectively. For Port Royal and TimeSpy, it produced a score of 35,805 and 39,269 respectively. And lastly, we got an unbelievable DirectX ray tracing score of 205.73 frames per second and a DLSS score of 264.02 frames per second. For our Cyberpunk 2027 tests, with ray tracing overdrive options enabled, it produced an outstanding score of 177.5 frames per second at 4K. And finally, for Monster Hunter Wilds with high settings at 4K, we got a fantastic score of 29,200 with an average frame rate of 171.44 frames per second. If you're worried about cooling this GPU, then don't. That's because MSI uses a full cover cold plate. It covers the whole GPU, VRAM and MOSFETs, ensuring excellent thermal performance, lowering the GPU temps to a cool 58 degrees Celsius at full load. The graphics card is extremely power hungry, and I'm not kidding. The power draw and consumption at full load reached a high of 577.14 watts, with an average of around about 574.13 watts. According to Nvidia, the total graphics power for the GeForce RTX 5090 is around about 575 watts, so we recommend a minimum power supply of at least 1000 watts or higher. The MSI GeForce RTX 5090 32G Lightning Z isn't going to be your average purchase. With a limited run of only 1300 units, prices have reached an eye-watering and almost comical $6,000 or more. All said and done, the MSI GeForce RTX 5090 32G Lightning Z is currently one of the fastest GPU we've tested to date. It outperforms everything that's available on the market thanks to its overclocked GPU. No graphics card right now comes even close to what this card can do. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the MSI GeForce RTX 5090 Lightning Z. It's a fantastic graphics card that offers the best performance you can get right now. But bear in mind, there is a price premium that you have to pay for this. Costing a whopping $6,500 is not something that you could really afford or get your hands on it easily. But if you're one of those lucky guys that can afford this, then you'll be getting one of the best performing consumer graphics card right now on the market. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy this via the links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews, and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Uncle Winston for Funkykit.com.